how to disconnect PS5 controller from Bluetooth and reconnect to PS5 console. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the homepage of your PS5. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you're in here, click on the settings icon at the top right. Inside settings, scroll down and head over to accessories. It will redirect you to this page. Head over to Bluetooth accessories. Inside Bluetooth, you can see a wireless controller is connected. Click on this option. The option of delete will appear. Click on it. And then click on OK. There you go, your wireless controller has been disconnected from your Bluetooth successfully. Now if you want to reconnect it again, then firstly you need to turn on your controller. Inside accessory found, your device will be available to you. Click on it. It says, do you want to register this Bluetooth accessory? Click on yes. And there you go, the controller has been reconnected successfully. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can disconnect your PS5 controller from Bluetooth and reconnect to PS5 console. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.